morning, dear children. Unit Our World, Lesson 10. The topic of today's lesson is unique structures. Let's start our lesson. Look at the pictures and read the titles of the text. What is special about these buildings? Listen and read to find out.
1E, Exercise 1, page 13.
Unique structures.
Khan Shatyr, Kazakhstan. Situated in Astana, Khan Shatyr is a modern shopping and entertainment center where a wide variety of shopping and leisure activities are found under one roof. It was designed by architect Norman Foster and it was opened in 2010. Today it's one of Kazakhstan's main tourist attractions. It imitates the tent structure of the yurt, providing a constant reminder to urban Kazakhs of their roots out on the steppe. But that's not all. Khan Shatyr is one of the world's most eco-friendly buildings. It has been provided with a see-through covering that helps to maintain a constant warm temperature inside whatever the weather. Its builders have also designed its distinctive shape to withstand high winds. It is a unique structure for all kinds of weather.
The Crystal, UK. Next to the waters of the River Thames, there is a remarkable building, the Crystal. It was designed by Wilkinson Eyre Architects and it opened in 2012. It contains an exhibition on sustainability where visitors are given the opportunity to explore issues such as energy, water, and the environment. The Crystal is the most eco-friendly building in London. It is covered with solar panels that provide all of its electricity, and engineers have installed special pipes which store extra energy underground. It also produces 90% of its own water by collecting rainwater and wastewater. The Crystal is a great example of how modern architecture has been made to work with nature to save the planet.
One E, Exercise 1, page 30.
Now, please check these words. The first one, collect. Please listen and repeat after me. Collect. Covering. Covering. Distinctive. Distinctive. Exhibition. Exhibition. Imitate. Imitate. Maintain. Maintain. Pipe. Pipe. Produce. Produce. Remarkable. Remarkable. See-through. See-through. Solar panel. Solar panel. Sustainability. Sustainability. Withstand. Withstand. Внимательно посмотрите, как переводятся эти слова, и постарайтесь их запомнить. Вы только что прослушали аудио текста, прочитали. Now please do this task. Read the text again and complete the sentence. В тексте, в аудио, были озвучены те факты, о которых не были написаны в самом тексте. То есть в тексте они были пропущены. Если вы внимательно прослушали данное аудио, то вам не составит труда сделать данное упражнение. Дополните предложения и напишите эти предложения в тетрадях. Work in pairs. Exercise 3. Compare and contrast the two buildings in the text. For example, those buildings are eco-friendly. That's true. The Kansha tower is in Astana, Kazakhstan, whereas the Crystal is in London, UK. И дальше. Продолжите данный диалог, используя информацию из текста. Теперь в упражнении номер 4 вам нужно собрать информацию о другом здании в вашей стране или в другой стране и написать короткий текст для англоязычного журнала. Также презентовать это своему классу. 4-е задание выполняем в тетрадях. Пишем текст. The lesson is over. Goodbye.